Put Baby's shirt in there. Hang on.
Hi, Abby. Are you doing laundry with Cece?
Here, Abby, here. There's a sock. Here you go. Here you go. Here's some more. Gosh, you are such a good helper. Can you get them in there? Thank you. Get that dress in there. Whoops. Here you go. There you go. Here you go, Abby.
Yeah.
Here's a sock. Yeah.
Mama.
I'll bring it back real quick.
Yeah.
She said wants something to go.
Mama.
Is Daddy in there too?